Hello everyone and welcome back to Best Luxury Stays. In today's video we'll be taking you to a virtual tour of the luxurious Hyatt Zilara Cancun. So don't go anywhere because you really don't want to miss out on this one. Now without waiting any longer, let's begin. First of all, let's talk about its location. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun is located in the heart of the oceanfront hotel zone, next door to family-friendly Panama Jack Resorts Cancun. It's a great spot for those who want a beautiful half-empty beach. There's a shopping plaza next door with an Outback steakhouse, but most eateries, shops, and the tourist-orientated Cancun nightlife are a few minutes' drive to the north. Because there is so much on-site, some guests will never venture out at all. Talking about its design. The interior is everything. Even those who don't like the all-inclusive resort experience might be converted by the Hyatt Zilara Cancun. The things that can be bad at all other inclusive resorts, like the food and entertainment, are actually notably good here. Even the buffet is high quality, with lots of fun show cooking stations. And the evening shows, often cheesy and groan-worthy at other resorts, are worth seeing here. Expect quality live music, acrobatic acts, and dancing. The resort also stands out above the crowd because it is gorgeous. It has a Mexican colonial vibe with massive pillars and archways throughout, plenty of marble tiling, wood beams accenting the ceilings, wrought iron details, and even stained glass ceiling in part of the lobby. Renovations were done in 2014 and 2015 updated parts of the lobby with new furniture and walls, as well as the spa and gym. Through Hyatt Zilara Cancun is a luxury resort and priced accordingly. It's actually not the most expensive all-inclusive adults-only resort in town, so your bank account won't cry if you book a holiday at Hyatt Zilara. Now we think there shouldn't be anything stopping you now, right? Let's head on to the rooms, which is the most important thing about a hotel. The 307 rooms of Hyatt Zilara have a charming colonial style with plenty of earthy colours, natural stones, woodwork, including accent beams on the ceiling, and marble tile floors. A beachy blue and white colour scheme comes through the in-blue cushion chairs, ocean artwork, and white linen and walls. All suites have furnished balconies with hammocks and at least partial views of the ocean. Most rooms have an excellent ocean view, though note that you can usually see your neighbours, a downside for those seeking privacy. Speaking of suites, they're divided up into several categories. The quality of the views varies within each category and is mostly luck of the draw, so upgrading for a better view may not be worth the extra outlay. Note that the ocean view rooms are in the centre of the resort, and the oceanfront rooms are in the ends that jut out slightly further. The swim-up suites may be worth a splurge, as long as you don't get assigned one right by the main pool. These can get noisy from the pool music. Expect to get a sales pitch for an upgrade at the check-in. Standard amenities include fully stocked minibars and liqueur dispensers, included and regularly replenished. A magic box for discreet 24-hour room service delivery, no need to open the door. Bathrobes and slippers, a pillow menu, and coffee makers. On the tech front, there are flat-screen TVs with CD and DVD players, free Wi-Fi, and digital saves. Bathrooms have rainfall shower heads, hair dryers, Swish toiletries, and hair straighteners on request. Isn't this amazing? A stunning resort room without breaking your bank. A hotel experience is incomplete without a pool. Hyatt Zilara Cancun's huge, free-form infinity pool is one of the main draws of the resort. There are a few bridges across it, and the beach restaurant and swim-up bar are located in the centre, effectively bisecting the pool into two areas, one for activities and one for relaxation. It's surrounded by lounges and shady cabanas, but no umbrellas. Waiter service is available throughout the day, but only for beverages. It's usually very easy to find a lounger, but cabanas, the only option for shade, can sometimes get snagged early. There are also 2 whirlpools. So let's talk about the food here. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun has great food options, particularly for an all-inclusive resort. All meals, snacks, 24-hour room service, and top-shelf liqueur at the several bars are part of the all-inclusive package. Note that some restaurants require a dress code, such as long pants and closed-toe shoes for men. Spice is the main buffet, serving international cuisine for all 3 meals, including show cooking stations such as pasta and taco station, grill for meat, and salad and ceviche bar, among plenty of other options. Maria Marie serves Mexican cuisine and tends to be a favourite. This, after all, is Mexico. Asiana is also extremely popular and has a teppanyaki cooking show, one of the only things that does require reservations. The resort offers options for vast tastes. Pelicanos is the beach bar and serves Caribbean and seafood-oriented cuisine. La Adelita Cantina serves Caribbean and Mexican fare for dinner only. Tequila and mezcal cocktails and craft beer are also on offer. There's a coffee shop with cookies, ice cream, pastries, and coffee drinks. Chef's Plate is a set 7-course menu that changes daily. It must be reserved in advance and is only available to those in the premium suite level rooms. The resort has vast dining offers that are worth it. Is it even a vacation without a spa day? We don't think so. Larimar Spa at Hyatt Zilara has 14 treatment rooms, including rooms for couples and outdoor treatment areas. Services include deep tissue massages, hot stone massages, Swedish massages, and facials. A variety of treatment therapies are provided, including aromatherapy, Ayurvedic, and hydrotherapy. The spa is equipped with hot springs, mineral springs, a sauna, a spa tub, and a steam room. A perfect getaway. The resort got you covered regarding everything. Catch some rays on Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana, private white sand beach, or spend the day relaxing at the full-service spa. Then enjoy a meal at one of the property's 6 restaurants. And never forget, all of this won't be heavy on your bank. What else do you need in a budget? We don't think there should be anything stopping you. That brings us to the end of today's video. Which thing did you like most about this resort? Don't forget to tell us and put it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in our next one.